Welcome to the Arduino project Thermometer with Display. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up and also subscribe to the channel to keep up to date with all the Arduino projects. For this project, you will need one thermistor and you will need one 10K resistor. Install the thermistor onto the breadboard as shown. Now install the 10K resistor onto the right pin of the thermistor. Now install a green wire onto the right pin of the thermistor, where the resistor joins it also. Attach the other end of that green wire to A0 on the Arduino. Now install a red wire onto the left pin of the thermistor. Connect a wire from the 5-volt pin of the Arduino to the red line of the breadboard. Install the other wire from the left pin of the thermistor to the red line of the breadboard. The display will have a wire hooked up to the VCC connection. Install that wire to the red line of the breadboard. Now let's do some coding. Use the code from the display program that we did on one of the other videos. I will leave a link on the screen. I'm showing you the top of that code, and then I will show you the bottom of it, the setup and the loop. So take a look at the code and pause the video so you can get that typed in. So now we go to the top of the code and let's put in an integer called tempPin, and that is going to be that 0 pin, that A0 pin that you installed. So now we move to the loop. So type in the following code. This one gets the temperature reading, and what we're going to do is get an integer value from, and we're calling it tempReading, and we're getting it from that pin. We're going to do an analogRead from tempPin. I will post this code on the website also. So copy the code that you see on here, and this will do a calculation to get the value from that thermistor. So this next line, I copied and pasted code to make sure I get all the numbers right. Like I said, this code will be on the website and also in the description. And you can see I scroll it over so you can read the code. You can pause the video at any time. This next line now gives you what the temperature will be through calculation of what it will be in Celsius. And it says converting from Kelvin to Celsius. This next line will convert to Fahrenheit, Celsius to Fahrenheit. So let's change the code. As you can see, it said hello world. Let's change it to say the temperature, and we're going to do that in Celsius. And what we're going to do is put a lot of spaces and then that C, and in between the temp and C we're going to put the temperature. We're going to just display that. So when it loops, that number will erase itself and you can see the new value. And there it is right there. So we're putting it on space 6, same row as that one, 0. We're going to put, and I'm typing it right now, the variable. And now we will place a delay. So this is the display of what it will do. Once you send it to your Arduino, it will display that instead of hello world. And the temperature is rather high because I was messing with the part with a soldering iron, so the number is rather high. But I will play with this more and I will put up another video for you. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up, and also don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Hit the subscription bell because there will be a lot of different Arduino videos. And most importantly, remember, keep on learning.